So we got a clear sky today. No spraying, no parasites. It's great. So we're outside here. We're going to pack up some orders, and this is a large order here. And just wanted to share it since it looks so good in the sun. This is an Oregon Star Kachina. You can actually use this as a charging plate since it has a flat surface, so you can put food, drinks, plants, whatever on it. And with this coil right here, energy will be protruding upward as well as out through the points of the star. So great multi-purpose device for pretty much anything around the house. And then here are our Dream Machines. I've posted a lot on these. These are just good device to have under the bed or really anywhere. All these devices can go anywhere, near electronics, under the bed, plants, Reiki work, meditation, whatever it is you're calling, this will improve the energy of that space. And this is an amber one. I haven't done amber in a long time, so thank you for choosing this color. These amber ones always look really nice. Yeah. And over here is our large Giza, 5x5 at the base. These are good for all of the above. Yeah. And then here are our freebies. This is a large order, so get 6 freebies right here. And down here is a Nubian Chakra, another one. This is going out to a repeat buyer. This one came out really well. And yeah, it's just a very, very compact, powerful device because it's got those layers. And I'll put in a little more Ormus in the foundation here and sea salt. I can just feel the power right away on these guys. So anyways, more packing under the blue sky and my beautiful baby over here. Peace and love.